Okay, thank you very much, Pratiksha, for handling all the things. And very sorry because that there was a network problem. So, algebra question number 1, question number 2, A we have done. Now question number 2, B. Because this is not from the reduced syllabus, that is why some questions are from reduced syllabus. This is first equation. This is second equation. You all have to attend the school for the submission. So that is why we have arranged the lecture at 10 o'clock. 3 ones are 1 threes are 3 ones are 1 fours are 4 ones are 4 ones are. Now this will multiply by this. So x plus 3y is equal to 10. 6x plus y is equal to 11. So you can make the equation equal also. You can substitute this x is equal to 10 minus 3y also. This is the best way. What is x? 10 minus 3y. Pratiksha, voice is coming. Screen is clear. 6 tens are 10, 60. 6 threes are 18. So this is 60. 1 less. Correct?
सर स्क्रीन ब्लर है.
Wait. Also stop. Okay. X by 3, y by 1, 10 by 3. So overall 3 is the LCM. 3 ones are 1 threes are 3 ones are 1 into x x, 3 into y 3y, 1 into 10 10. Then I have taken x is equal to 10 minus 3y. 4 is the LCM. 1 fours are 4 ones are 4 ones are 4 twos are 8, 1 y's are 1, 1 11's are 11. Now what is x that I have substituted? 8 into 10 80, 8 threes are 24, 20 minus 24 plus y 1 means minus 23, 11. This comes this side. 80 minus 11 minus 69 minus 23, minus 23 goes down. So 3s are. So y is equal to 3. Now x is equal to what? X is equal to 10 minus 3y. 10 minus 3, this is 3. So 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. So your solution, x first, y second. Substitute in this, for example. X is equal to 1, so 1 by 3 plus 3 by 1. 1 ones are 1, 3 threes are 9, 3 it is 10 by 3. So this and this are equal. So in quadratic equation and simultaneous equation, you can check your answer. Solve by factorization. 5m square 22m plus 15. So 5m square, this minus, so minus 22m minus 15 is equal to 0. So 15 into 5, from that we need 22. So 15 5s are 75, means 25 3s are 25 minus 3 is 22, but bigger figure we want this. So this is plus and this is minus. So 5m square minus 25m plus 3m minus 15 is equal to 0. 5m is common. 5 3 is a 15 minus 5 3m, 5 5 is a 25m, 5m into m, 5m square. This is your rough part, okay? Common of common. Now, individual. This is equal to 0 or 5m plus 3 is equal to 0. So m is equal to 5. M is equal to minus 3 by 5. This is solution set. M is equal to what? It can be 5 or minus 3 by 5. Do the cross product. 5 5 is at 25 minus 3. So 25 and 3, that 2 we have taken factors. Then pi diagrams are not there. Mode is also not there. GST is also not there. 2-digit number. Very good question. Solution and solution set. In quadratic equation, for one variable, more than one answer, that is a solution set. In a simultaneous equation, two different variable, individual two different answer, particularly for x, particularly for y. So separate answer for single variable, single answer. That is solution. In solution, always we will write in first bracket, and solution set in second bracket. 2-digit number and the number with a digit interchange. You have to prepare a table first. Type of the number, 10th place, unit place, number obtained, original, 10th place x, unit place y, so it is 10x plus y. Interchange, this comes here, this comes here, it is 10y plus x. Now our condition. Two-digit number and the number with the digit interchange, add up to 143. So original number plus interchange number is equal to 143. So 10x plus y plus 10y plus x is equal to 143. So 11x plus 11y 143 divided by 11. So x plus y is equal to 13. Now unit digit in unit place is 3 more than the digit in 10 place. Unit place is Unit place is 3 more than the digit 10th place. Unit place number is 3 more than 10th place number. So unit place number is x 3 plus y. This substitute in x plus y. What is x? What is x? That is 3 plus y is equal to 30. This x I have written this. So 3 plus 2y 13. 2y 13 minus 3 10 2y divided by 2. So y is equal to 5. This is a word problem. You have not only to find out x and y, you have to find out the numbers. So x is equal to 3 plus y, x is equal to 3 plus 5, x is equal to 8. So the number is, original number is 10x plus y. So 10x plus y. So 80 plus 5, 85. This is very important question. I would like to explain it again. Uh, if whenever you will find the 2-digit number, you have to make the table. Types of the number: original number, interchange number. 10th place, unit place, 10th place into 10 plus unit place. So the number obtained. So x, y. So 10x plus y. Interchange 10y plus x. These are your two number. Now they will, for two variable, they will give two conditions. One condition they have given: original number plus interchange number is equal to 1, 4, 3. If you will add two number, no, always you will get 11x plus 11y. If from one number another number you will subtract, interchange number subtract, so you will get 9x minus 9y. But here they have given addition. So 11x, 11y, 143. All divided by 11. So this is 13. 13 11s are 143. So this is your equation number 1. Now second condition they have given, that unit place is equal to 10th place plus 3. So in this equation, I have substituted x is equal to 3 plus y plus y. So 3 plus 2y is equal to 13. 3 less, so 10. 2 divided by 2, so it becomes 5. Now again x is equal to 3 plus y is equal to 5. This is 8. So your final answer, original 2-digit number you have to find out. Student usually does that mistake that they are finding just x and y, not 2-digit number. So this is a 2-digit number type problem. So at the end you have to find this. Correct. Next, alpha beta is not there. APGP we are doing. Next. On 1st of January 2016, 1st January 2016, name is Sanika. 2nd January, first day 10 rupees, 11 rupees, till 31st January, sorry, 31st December, some amount, that is last yen. What is the total saving? See, 2016 divided by 4, it is divisible by 4, so it is a leap year, and in leap year number of days, two thousand 16 is 366, that is n. Starting point A is equal to 10. Difference always it is increased by 1 rupee. So you have N, you have A, you have D. We want total saving. Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1d. So Sn total n number of days 2a plus n difference 366 2 2 into 10, or you can take 20, no problem. 366 minus 1, 365. N by 2 2a n minus 1 d. So that is half. 385. I have cut this. Correct. So 385 into 183. It is 70,455. Every day it is increasing by 1 rupee. Let me check. Is there any mistake or what? Three B one. Correct. Next, GST is not there. 2 digit done. 2 dice roll that are there. Two dice are roll. So number of S for 2 dice, that is 36. Full table you have to show. This is a revision, so I am not writing all the steps for S36. That table you have to form. Okay, the sum of the digit on the upper face is at least 10. A. At least 10. So 10, 11, 12. If it is 10, so 6 plus something. So 6 and 4, 5 and 5, 6, 5, 4 and 6. This is done. For 11, 6 and 5, 5 and 6. For 12, so number of A, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Three, two, 1, 6. Sum is 33. Not possible. Correct. So number of A, maximum sum is possible 12. The digit on the first die is greater than the second. Digit on first die is greater. First digit greater than second digit. First digit is greater. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, not equal. 51, 52, 53, 54, not equal. 41, 42, 43, 44, not equal. 31, 32, not equal. 21,